Now there's something about good loving that all you ladies should know. If you wanna light your man on fire, you gotta start it real slow. Keep on turning up the voltage till that man begin to glow, like you're switching on a light bulb. Watch the juice begin to flow. Now Lord got your attention. Here's what your men need to hear. You want your lady racing with you, you got to get her in gear. Well, specialist the best. If you don't know where it is, give her the stick. She'll do the rest. Push the button, push the button, push the button, push the button. You gotta push it if you wanna come in. Well, push the button, give me something to let your baby know it ain't no sin. Well, if you wanna feel the train a coming your way, baby, push the button and pull the window straight. Now listen, all you red hot lovers, you ought to know what to do. You ought to know what to do. There ain't nothing wrong with nothing. That's right with both of you. That's right with both of you. So when tonight you make your lover cry out like a lion roar, tell your neighbors your new kitty found the queen she looking for. Well, push the button, push the button, push the button, push the button. You gotta push it if you wanna come in. Hey, push the button, give me something to let your baby know it ain't no sin. Well, if you wanna feel the train a coming your way, baby, push the button and pull the window straight. Come on in. Now, ladies, I need you to work a little harder, okay? I want you to reach down and find your inner sugar, baby. There you go, there you go. All right now. Hey, push the button, push the button, push that button, push the button. You gotta push it if you wanna come in.